character cards!
Oh, Tayo character cards! I really wanted it! But what is it?
You wanted it without knowing what it is?
Yes, because I want everything!
Friends from Tayo the Little Bus are printed on these cards!
Whoa! I want it even more now! Oh, show me! Show me!
Okay, which one should I show you first? Oh, this is good. Ta-da!
Whoa!
It's me, the Hana card!
Wow! You're on the card!
It's pretty just like me, huh?
I think you look better in the drawing.
What?
Just kidding!
Okay, I'll show you the other cards then.
Yes, please!
Here's Rogi.
Oh!
And Lonnie.
Wow!
And of course, Connie. Pororo, do you want to see a magic trick?
I'd love to!
Okay, let's put these over there. There's nothing on either side of the card, right?
No, there's nothing!
There's nothing on the floor.
No.
Okay, let's put the card here. And with all my power… it's not working. Pororo, let me use some of your hair grease.
What are you doing?
Ta-da! Tayo came out from an empty card.
Tayo is really here!
Hi, Pororo. Hi, Hana.
Hello, Tayo!
I really wanted to be on the show.
Why?
I wanted to try something.
What is it?
It's Into the Toy World. Let's go!
Hey! That's my line!
Says who?
Me!
Hey, guys, stop fighting. Stop fighting. It's my line. Into the Toy World. Let's go!
Hana! Wow! It's Penguin the Super Cook!
Hi! I'm Penguin the Super Cook, and I cook for hungry friends. Wow, Eddie was right!
He was!
Tell me anything you want to eat.
I want pizza!
Then I want a burger.
Oh, I see. Then I'll make you rice balls. Rice balls? Why did you ask in the first place if you know what you're going to make?
But it'll still be good. Let's trust her.
Time to show off what a good cook I am.
Yay!
Wow, what are all these? You have so many. These are the tools I use for making rice balls.
I see.
Okay, let's get started. First, you put the rice in here and press down.
Oh, you didn't even wash your feet!
Petty, you can't use your feet! Oh, it's dirty! No, you're supposed to use your feet! Like this!
Penguin the Super Cook continued to make rice balls with her feet.
Rice balls! Ta-da!
Wow!
Whoa, it looks just like me!
Yeah, I was worried, but it even smells good. Let's smell it.
Thank you, Penguin the Super Cook! You're welcome! Enjoy your food! I need to go back now! What? Okay! Penguin the Super Cook, let's go! Bye, guys! Thank you!
Bye.
Goodbye!
Thanks.
Bye! Can we eat now? Let's eat! I can't wait anymore!
What? No, wait!
What is
We
it?
need to bring Hana some food.
Oh, you're right.
Let's go!
I want to lie down because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Hana, wake up! Hana, wake up! Wake up!
We brought you some rice balls. Look at this. Rice balls? Where? That looks so good. And it even looks like Pororo. Oh, thank you, guys. Oh, shall we eat now?
Yeah!
Yay! Thank you very much. Looks so good. Yuck, it tastes awful.
What happened to Penguin the Super Cook?
It tastes like Petty's feet. Guys, what have you made? Oh, my stomach. Oh, my tummy hurts. Oh, it's killing me. Oh, Hana's in pain.
I wonder if they're enjoying my food. Well, they must be. It's made by Penguin the Super Cook. I'm going back to sleep now.
Penguin the Super Cook really can't cook.
What? Penguin the Super Cook is bad at cooking. Hana, are you a good cook?
What?
Can you cook?
Of course, I'm a wonderful cook.
Oh, why do I doubt it?
Let me show you then. I'll make you rice balls.
Oh, with what Penguin the Super Cook used?
Yes. Ta-da-da-da-da-da! Pororo Rice Ball Maker.
Wow, I really wanted to have the Pororo Rice Ball Maker.
I'll make you a delicious rice ball.
Yay!
Ta-da! Here's the rice ball maker and ingredients.
Yay, hurry up!
Okay, I'll make a rice ball in Eddie's shape.
Okay.
Let's open the case.
It's cute, Pororo.
You're right. We're going to put it in yellow rice like Eddie.
There's yellow rice?
I added curry powder.
I like curry.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, I want to eat it now.
Some more?
Yes, please.
Okay. Then we'll put Eddie on the top and press hard.
Looks fun.
Here. Here. Shall we start?
Yes. I want to do it too.
Here you go.
It's so fun, even though my head hurts a bit.
Let's take it out.
Yes, please.
Okay. Ta-da! Eddie rice ball is made. Look, Pororo.
Huh? This is Eddie. It doesn't look like him.
Oh, it's not done yet.
Huh?
Ta-da! You can complete Eddie's face with some cheese and seaweed paper.
I'll trust you.
We're going to cut the cheese in Eddie's shape. Press, press. Eddie's on the cheese. We'll use the seaweed paper to make Eddie's eyes and the bean for Eddie's nose.
I see.
Let's put some cheese on Eddie's ear. Like this. And again.
Yes.
And Eddie's smiling eyes. Ta-da! And lastly, his nose. Ta-da! Eddie Rice Ball! What do you think?
Can we eat it now?
No, wait! We have to make other friends too.
What? Okay.
Pororo and Friends Rice Balls!
Wow! Yay!
Okay, Pororo, try!
Okay!
What's wrong? Pororo, is it bad?
It's really good!
Really?
You're the best, Hana!
Let me try some then.
Of course!
Wow, it's really good.
It's the best!
Hana is the best cook.
Best cook! Best cook!
Okay, friends. You can make rice balls too.
Bye!
The Pororo rice ball maker that Hana played with
can be found by clicking the I button on the top.
Oh, it's Eddie. Where's Pororo?
Pororo is too busy to come. I'll be here instead of him from now.
Oh, I see.
What? Eddie! You can click the I button button. Right, Hana?
Yes, the I button. Okay, friends, see you again. Bye!
Bye!
Go!